Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to silence Apple Maps. You have to start by open Apple Maps application. After that, at the search bar, write your destination. Let's say this one. Start to navigate and click at the Go. At the right side, we have speaker icon. Click at this icon and select to mute. You can also not mute, but just use softer voice, but to silence it, you need to mute it. And also, we mute it for movement by car. So let me end the road. And you should do the same for another mode. So for walking, for bike riding, let me show it for you. Go. As you can see, I muted for car, but not for the walking. So I need to do the same for the walking. Tap at the speaker icon and then select mute. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!